If you are building an AI voice agent, one of the most valuable things to do is to be able to retrieve the end of call report and transcript from either Vapi or Retail and send it over to make.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to retrieve the end of call report and transcript and send it over to something like Google Sheets. And I do want to say that there are multiple use cases and multiple things you can do with it, the transcript. So, for example, send it to a CRM or do something with it. But in this video, I'm going to strictly show you how to retrieve it and send it to make.com and then to a Google Sheet. So let's hop straight into this. So the first thing you want to do is create a new scenario inside of make. So first things first, you create a webhook, and creating a webhook basically means you'll be able to retrieve or send data to from one platform to another. So create a webhook, then you click copy address to clipboard, you click save, you rename this the scenario to whatever you want. I usually name it after end of call report client name. In this case, just YouTube is fine. After that, I'm going to go to Vapi, to assistants, create assistants, YouTube is fine. Then I'll create an assistant, and I won't bother with the prompt. I'll just name it, or do this, introduce yourself. To keep it really simple. After that, you want to go down to messaging, and inside of messaging, you want to, as a server URL, you want to paste the webhook right here and remove all the other things right here, because you only need the end of call report, since the end of call report contains the summary and also the transcripts. So this is the only one you need. And then after you've done that, you'll click on publish. After publishing, you'll go back to make and exit out of the scenario, because you actually need to turn on the workflow. So after we've done that, we are going to click on run once. So now we actually need to call the agent. So click on talk to assistant, because we need to send the data from Vapi to make. Can you introduce yourself? Okay, and that's enough. And then we get the summary and also the transcript, obviously really short. And after that, we are going to add another module, in this case Google Sheets. Click on add a row. So now you have to create a connection, which is really straightforward. Just click on add and select your Google account where the Google Sheets is on. After that, we need to search the spreadsheet. So summary plus transcript in this case. The sheet name, I only have one sheet right here. And then you can see as the headers, summary and transcripts. So then we need to populate those fields. So first will be summary. And then the second one is transcripts. Then you click on save. Click on save. Let's first test this if it works. Click on OK. Okay, it works. That's great. And now we are going to call the agent again and see if it actually worked. So we'll click on run once and talk to the assistant. Hey, can you introduce yourself? Okay, that's enough. And then it worked. So here you can see the summary. Obviously you can make it bigger and also make it like this. So here you can do text wrapping. So here you can see the complete summary and also the transcript. Obviously, there are many more things to do, or you are able to do a lot of things with a summary and transcript. As I said before, you can send it to a CRM, for example, Go High Level. And inside of Go High Level, you can basically, whenever someone booked an appointment, you can give a internal notification to your client or to yourself with a summary. So your client or you will know exactly how the call went. So this is the end of the video. So if you also want to know how you can put the summary inside of a CRM or to another platform, let me know. I'll just create a video on it. And thanks for watching.